there's a pressure and expectation on people to be different than the way they are. There's a certain pressure on demand, an expectation on ourselves and others to be different than how we're currently truly feeling, thinking, and what we're going through in life. There's a there's a lot of pressure on us from our parents and even our friends and for people to be a certain way. There's as a result there's a lot of fear and people aren't authentic, because we are naturally afraid of being given out to or rejected from the tribe, which is our instinct and part of our evolution and survival is to be part of a group or a tribe. And if we're afraid of being abandoned or rejected, which has happened to us in our childhood, then we'll naturally hold this fear in our life. So we suppress and hold back and deny our true feelings or our wishes and desires and what we're really going through in life. We don't share as much, and we need people to trust and confide in who are wise and gentle and compassionate and understanding and offer love.